Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be my weekly video about trending design ideas, about trending searches. It will be ideas from Merch by Amazon. I found all these ideas on this platform, but as always I want to tells that you need to use them not only on Merch by Amazon, but also on other different pod platforms, because it is often that sales on some other platform like TeePublic, Redbubble, or Etsy can be even better than on Amazon. And in this way you can earn more from one design that you will create. So today will be some trending designs, less evergreen ideas than often, but now is a period when we can find a lot of trending design ideas, and if you will create good illustrations, good designs, you can earn a lot of money from them. And the first idea will be about Ukraine and Russia conflict, and this search phrase "I need ammunition, not a right" short. 200 plus results right now, and it is a phrase that was said by Ukrainian's president Volodymyr Zelensky, and as I know, he said it in an interview, maybe to CNN or some other press, and you can make some Ukrainian style design, and it is one of common phrases, of used phrases for this topic, for this theme, because there are a lot of different Ukrainian support designs in search right now that has a lot of sales. And of course you can also search for different phrases for this theme, not only this phrase, and all designs that you will create, they can use Ukrainian colors like blue and yellow. For this design idea we can find a lot of Zelensky illustrations, but I don't like to make some portraits of well-known people, and you can simply make an illustration of a fist like here, or an illustration of Ukrainian flag, and it will look good too. I think that it is not needed to illustrate Zelensky right now, and I think that this trending search will last for a long time, because even if the conflict in Ukraine will calm down, I think that popularity of such searches, of such shorts, can be quite good for months or maybe even for a couple of years. So not only about this phrase, but also about other Ukrainian support phrases. It is a theme that you need to search and to create some of your illustrations. And of course you can make an illustration, for example, of Ukraine silhouette, or illustration of Ukrainian flag, and then simply reuse the same illustration for different phrases, and in this way you can create a lot of different designs in a short period of time. Okay, let's go to the next trending search, and it is about gas prices. The search phrase is "I'd love a mean tweet" and $79 gas short. It is about Donald Trump and prices that were when he was president, and I think that this phrase, this search, will be popular at least before November's elections. It's a political design, political idea, and from my experience, you can earn a lot from good political designs. Not all of them are safe, but if we will talk about this design, I think that there will be all okay with it. Yes, I don't want to make Donald Trump illustrations like here. I wish to make some gas station illustration, or maybe some American flag, American symbols like stars, like American flag, American silhouette, or something like that. Or even here we can find this retro design that is made quite simple, but it looks good, and even with this kind of designs you can have a lot of sales, and I don't think that you need to illustrate Donald Trump here. Of course, you can find a lot of different phrases about gas prices. There are a lot of options that you can illustrate, that you can create right now, and this topic seems quite nice for me, so I will definitely illustrate some variants for this phrase and for other phrases that are connected with high prices for gas. And the next idea for today will be another trending search about Easter. Silly Rabbit Easter is for Jesus. From my experience, Easter isn't the best holiday to make some designs, to make some illustrations, but here you can also earn a lot of money if some of your designs will be in top of a search. Maybe this niche is not my favorite right now, but it is trending too. Of course, you can have some sales only when it's in Easter time, and for next sales you need to wait for next year, but a lot of searches for Easter, a lot of keywords, they can bring you sales each year, so it's a trending search that you can use for years and years. Of course, for this design you should illustrate a rabbit and some Christian religion symbols like a cross or something like that, and already I can find some good looking illustrations, but if you have some ideas how you can create a good illustration for this keyword, you can definitely make this and wait for your sales for this holiday too. Okay, let's go to the next design idea, and it is a search phrase: education is a freedom shirt. This search is half trending, half evergreen. Yes, it is connected with Black History Month, and you can definitely have a better sales in December or in January, but from my experience you can also have sales in different times of the year, and by making this kind of design you can definitely create a stable income for your merch portfolio. A lot of designs that are made like a bookshelf in Africa silhouette, like here, but from my opinion I want to make some different illustration, because there are a lot of good variants for this idea, and if I will create different looking illustration, it can bring me good sales. Of course, you can use this traditional Black History Month colors, like here it is yellow, red and green, but you can also come from other side and illustrate this phrase in different way, and it can bring you sales too. And the last idea for today, it is another holiday trending design idea. It is about St. Patrick's Day. Yes, it's not for this year already, but you can also make some illustrations to wait for sales for next year. It is for a phrase not lucky, just blessed, and it is often that luck and religion is connected, especially in St. Patrick's Day designs. And you can make quite simple design with some hearts, with some clover or shamrock or maybe other St. Patrick's Day symbols. Especially you need to use green color in your design, or maybe use different colors, but maybe make an illustration on a green t-shirt like here, and it will definitely have a better opportunity for higher sales. Yes, there are a lot of different design ideas for St. Patrick's Day, but this holiday is quite good for merch sales, because a lot of people want to go to a bar or maybe to some other place, and usually it is a good idea to buy some short that is connected with this holiday, and if you will create a good looking design, you will definitely have your part of sales, and on St. Patrick's Day we can find a lot of different ideas that will give you sales each year. I can find a lot of different illustrations that had good sales years and years ago, and even now they also bring a lot of sales. And you can also reuse your graphic, your illustration for different phrases that are connected with St. Patrick's Day. So it is quite a good option to make some illustration for this holiday to your portfolio. So it was 5 different design ideas for this week. This time here were a lot of trending designs, but usually I talk also about evergreen design ideas. So subscribe to this channel. Here I talk about print-on-demand business, and I wish you good sales. See you in next video. Bye.